Hi guys! Nandito ako sa aming lutuan na, alam mo na, probinsya na lutuan. You need to use 3 to have a fire. Yes, I need to make food. Yeah, and I cook rice guys. Tignan mo. Tignan mo guys, oh. Ayan na siya guys. Ayun, oh, diba? Alam mo guys, dito sa Pilipinas, simple lang ang buhay. I have a simple life but I'm happy. Yes. I'm free if I going outside. I'm free to sleep because that's my life. But if you work in Denmark, to how to kill me or stress me, tell them, tang ina nila. Putang ina nila. They cannot ruin my life again. I'm here in Santa Cruz now and just leave me alone. I don't care about your fucking country. If you allowed me to go home early, I'm sure I have a better life than what I expected. Yes. Tang ulol nyo nga pala, Denmark. Wala akong pakialam sa siraulo nyong country. Mga tao sa country nyo ay mamamatay tao. Kung ano ako, Denmark, what I have before and now, I don't need to be shy. I want to tell to everybody that yes, my life in Philippines is a simple. I make food using like this, yes, like that, since young. And you don't have right to destroy me. Just move away, Denmark. I don't care about your packing permanent. Since in the beginning until now, I don't have a visa soon. It's ended April. So you don't have right to get me here from Santa Cruz going back to Denmark. I cannot apply visa again if you use your fucking shit brain. Honest is you don't have brain. People in Denmark didn't use their brain. They are just destroying a Filipina like me because they know that I'm smarter than your fucking brain. Fuck you, Denmark. Fuck you. Fuck your ass if you want money. Yes, that's from me. Tang ulol nyo.